Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a process of an antique pendant made from polymer clay. First, take a sheet of black polymer clay on the thickest setting of the pasta machine. Gently press the clay cutter to outline its shape on the sheet. Use a needle to draw any curved lines or any other design. Fill the entire shape with closer line details. Use any thinner needle to make the texture more detailed by drawing more lines in the spaces. I'm rolling a clay portion under an acrylic block to make a long thinner rope. Use a clay extruder if you want to make such ropes. Next, cut the shape out of the base using the clay cutter. Attach the clay ropes to the base bottom. Remove the uneven portions. I'm adding a few more markings on the ropes using a precision knife. Make spiral coil shape portions using a thin rope of clay. Add those spiral portions to the pendant base. I preferred an asymmetrical design in this. I'm placing a stem made of thin green rope of clay. Cut some long thin leaf shapes out of thin clay sheet. Attach the leaves to the stem. Use a precision knife to texture the leaves. To make the flower, cut some small long petals from a thin sheet of clay. Attach petals on the base and texture them. Add more petals to fill the space. You can bake this piece at this point without proceeding to the next step. I love how the color pops from that black base. Anyway, for the antique metallic look, I'm using a silver pigment. I'm applying the pigment using a soft sponge tool I have. I'm painting only on the top portions, leaving the black depth areas. Here you can add pigment according to your wish. You can color just the bottom or the edges, leaving the floral part, or completely like I did. For the pendant bale, I'm texturing the same way I did earlier. Add the pigment and cut the shape. I folded the shape halfway. Add the folded part to the pendant. Use glue before adding the bale if you want. Press the bale using a ball tool to make it adhere to the base. Add a small coil to match the pendant. Apply the pigment. Bake for 1 hour according to your clay brand instructions. This was baked, sanded, and assembled with a simple silver chain. I sealed the pendant with a gloss varnish. I hope you liked this video. If you want to support us, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.